Hello guys, ayan.
More pa ka? Anda ka? Anda ka?
Ang uban wala na nil kay close na no. Open na. Wala na ang ubang habit. Sharpen the soul. Find your voice. Seek first to understand. Synergize. Think win-win. Habit 4. Habit 3. Habit 2. Lead to the pit. Because